Hi there everybody, and welcome to another very windy day. On today's video I have this Mazda MPV. This is a 2007 version. It's a Japanese import, and I'm going to remove this rear cluster here. So I'm going to show you how you can remove it. It's fairly simple, but you do need some plastic prying tools if you don't want to damage the paint work on your car. And the reason I'm removing it is because I need to remove the bumper, and I'll try to perhaps make another video for the bumper, but I'm going to show you how to remove this cluster in case you need to change the indicator bulb. In this particular model I don't think you can change the other bulbs that are in the unit because they are LEDs, so if they go faulty then you have to change the cluster itself. So anyway, getting on with the removal of the cluster. If you open your rear hatch and then you come here, you have two Phillips screws. If you undo those, I've already undone them, so I can easily take them out and not take too long in the video. You're then going to have another Phillips screw, a tiny little one here, which is just a plastic one, and you need to very carefully undo it because those sometimes they don't come out, they just go round and round and round. And so one way of pulling them out is if you pull the trim out a bit and you undo it, sometimes that works. Otherwise you have to pull them out by force, basically. That's the little clip, and then that was going to be loose, but then this cluster is plugged in at 2 points here, 1 point there and another 1 point up here somewhere. It plugs into there and we just need to release it. So a plastic prying tool such as this, you can sort of put it somewhere in there or somewhere where you can then sort of break loose your cluster like so. If you use a screwdriver you may damage the paint. Right, okay, so that can come out. And then here we have, so what we need to do here is just unplug this clip. So you press on that, you press that clip there and pull this out, and then with the indicator bulb, which it was out because I removed this already, it's going to be sitting in there, and it's going to be basically, it's just gonna sit in there. Let me get it back on so I can show you. So that's how it's going to be sitting in there, secure. All you have to do is turn it anti-clockwise, if I can now, and then pull it out. And that is your indicator bulb there. And it's an orange bulb, and it's what is it? This is a Stanley 12 volts WY21W, and it says 181 there. And you can easily find that if you just search on Google and you put Mazda MPV rear indicator bulb, and pretty sure you're gonna see plenty of that shape. Clear bulbs of that also exist, but as you can see, the rest of this cluster here, it doesn't have any more bulbs. It's got the LEDs in there. So if those LEDs burn, then you need a cluster. And that's pretty much it. Same procedure on the other side, and I will probably do the other side on my next video on showing how to remove the bumper here, provided I can work it out myself. So anyway, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video, so thank you for watching.